Hello everyone, this is tutorial for anybody has a C-USB charger and have an issue with plug. There is possibility the plug doesn't go all the way in, or after you use it start moving back and forth. The problem is there is not enough space inside USB port plug. So in our case I'm going to use this microscope and I will show you what's inside. Let's see, I'll show you the easy fix for all of this. I attached the phone to the side so it's so easy to operate, so I can clean it better, but I'll show you in a second. This is looking through the microscope and that's what it looks like inside. So at the very bottom, if you notice it, there's a layer of hair. Usually dust in here clog that entire perimeter at the bottom. I put the tape on the side so it does not reflect a lot, but that's basically what we're going to be clean right now, bottom part. So you can use very small needle as so. You can use a paper clip, needle. If you have something thinner, you can use that as well. I have a few fancy things, but I'm still going to use this one. Gently apply to one side. The paper clip's not working because it's too soft. You can see how this works like a tank. This is my small tweezers. So if you have needle is sharp and will work perfect to clean that. So let me finish cleaning this, then I will show you the final result after I finish. See how much of the stuff. Okay, this is a little too thick to work with, so I still get the needle, so it's a lot easier to work with needle, and I'll show you what I've got. This is top. It's hard to zoom it, but let me try to show you inside. I just cleaned one of the sides, and you can see at the bottom you have a foil, so it's all pretty much clean, and I still have to do another side as completely packed. It looks like a grease. It's really thick. So it's whatever is oil, residue, and I can feel the bottoms get very nice and clean now. Das mess. So I think I finished, and this is just what's happened with the phone that is approximately 2 years old. One moment. And of course some of that probably fell on the floor, but there's more coming, and I will have to probably blow some more out as it's inside still a lot of it. So that's basically how you do this trick. Okay, now after all is clean, I'll show the result of the cleaning. So this is the top of the port, and we go all the way down, and as you can see, it's all clean. So we take about half a centimeter, I would say 5 millimeters of the dust. It was completely packed it. So now it's all clean. So this way you can avoid to replace the ports. And we will try USB charger. See USB, last time it doesn't want to go all the way in, and now it's all the way inside. And it's moving a little bit, but it's a steady inside. It's even have a click. I can't even pull this out. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help, and have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and select the bell. So if you like it, it help my video to go and channel go forward. Thanks so much.